Hello there students, hello there learners. So today's video is about the revision. We almost finished the roundup 2. So this will be the revision tests, and also I will add tests from the units, additional material in my Telegram channel. So you can subscribe there too and check the tests. Deməli, Azərbaycan dilində deyim. Buna əlavə olaraq testlər də olacaq. Testlər hamısı Telegram kanalında, yəni qeydə olunacaq. Mən orada qoyacağam cavablarla bir yerdə. Ona görə Telegram kanalına keçid eləyin və orada da abunə olun. Okay, so let's get started. Underline the correct word. He, him is 10 years old. So, I am from England. He can do it. Let me help him, please. Where is Nadia? Can you see her? We can go to the cinema. Give them these pens, please. Okay, this was the first one, so let's check the second one. Look at the pictures and write the questions and answers. Has he got a bike? No, he hasn't got. He has got a car. Has he got a piano? No, he hasn't. He has got a guitar. Has he got a parrot? No, she hasn't. She has got a cat. Have they got a TV? No, they haven't. They have got a radio. Has he got a kite? No, he has got a bow. Has he got short hair? No, she hasn't. She's got long hair. Okay, so let's check this exercise. So put the words in the correct order to make sentences, as in example. I am from London. She isn't at home. Nadia can't ride a horse. Can you fly kite? I haven't got short hair. They can swim in the sea. So let's check this other exercise. So circle the correct word. So let's see. A, some cheese. So we know that it's about the countable and uncountable nouns. So she is uncountable. In this case, we can't use article. Only some. Okay. So the second, book. Oh, sorry. A book. Some juice. Some water. A boy, a girl, some bread, a flag, some honey, some milk, and a bird. So, let's take a look at this exercise. So, disable, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. So, this is my dress. So, those are cats. So, this is a spider. These are, buses. So, those are geese. That is a rat. Okay, let's check this one. Write the plurals. So, parrot. So, the first one is box. We can see that it's boxes. So, the next one. Parrot, parrots. Banana, bananas. Ox, oxen. Dolphin, dolphins. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Watch, watches. Child, children. Potato, potatoes. Butterfly, butterflies. Boy, boys. Baby, babies. Thief, thieves. Food, feet. So, let's check the next one. So, can I have a jar of milk, please? Okay, so there is not a jar of milk. It is carton. So, on the second one, They are dark hair. They have or have got dark hair. Those is my new scarf. That is my new scarf. Can I have a water, please? Can I have some water, please? 2 cans of bread, please. 2 loaves of bread, please. Are them your friends? Are they your friends? So, let's take a look at this exercise. So, circle the correct word. He has got a cat. It's his cat. He has got flowers. He has got the flowers. They are his. So we have got shorts. They are our shorts. She's got an umbrella. It's hers. I have got a guitar. It's mine. So they have got a TV. It's theirs. Okay, let's check this exercise. Write the plurals. So, woman, women, goes, geese, leaf, leaves, ship, sheep, mouse, mice, roof, roofs, table, tables, bus, buses, child, children, knife, knives, dress, dresses, video, videos. So, let's check this one. So this is John's car. Yeah, this is a right answer. He is 10 years old. He is 10 years old. These are men's shirts. Mike has got a new bike. Bring 2 knives, please. Can you buy a loaf of bread? Okay, so let's check this one. So write some or any. There is some cake on a table. There aren't any tomatoes in the fridge. Is there any sugar in the jar? There are some children in the park. Are there any books on the table? There isn't any butter in the fridge. There are some girls in the classroom. Are there any birds in the trees? There aren't any bikes in the streets. So, let's check this one. Look at the pictures and write the questions and answers. So, are there any cakes? No, there aren't. Are there any strawberries? Yes, there are. Is there any meat? Yes, there is. Are there any apples? Yes, there are. Is there any cheese? No, there isn't. Is there any milk? Yes, there is. Are there any oranges? No, there aren't. So let's take a look at this exercise. Correct the sentences. So let's check it too. Can I have a carton of soup, please? Not carton, we need to use bowl. Their house is big. Their house is big. The children's room is very small. The children's apostrophe s is correct. There are 5 boys in a classroom. There are 5 boys in my class. The boys' name are Jack and Bill. The boys s and then apostrophe is correct form. So let's check at this exercise. So the first one, correct the sentences. So look at he is so funny. Look at him, he is so funny. Martha has got 2 babies, but this is a correct variant. Babies without a. The men's shirts are over there. The men's shirts are over there. So the correct variant is men's shirts are over there. So you're Mike's brother, right? You are Mike's brother. So this shirt isn't mine. Okay. Complete the text with the present continuous. So let's do it. This is me and my family. We are at the park. My sister is painting a picture. Can you see my 2 brothers? They are riding their bikes. My mom is sitting on a bench. She is reading a book. Look at my dad. He is writing an email. Can you see me? I am under the tree. Sorry, not. I am playing my guitar. So let's check the next one. Complete the text with the present simple. This is Anna. She lives in a big house. Anna gets up early every morning. She brushes her teeth, has a shower, and catches the bus to school. After school, Anna and her brother Sean go swimming. They love swimming. Okay, complete the questions and answers. Do they like fish? No, they don't. Do you want some juice? Yes, I do. Is Fatima sleeping? No, she isn't. Are they doing the homework? Yes, they are. Do Pete and Sue like pizza? No, they don't. Does Carmen help her mother? No, she doesn't. Okay, let's check this exercise. So choose the correct item. He always drinks milk for breakfast. We usually stay at home in the evening. She is She is cooking lunch at the moment. Why are you always late? They often go to Spain on holiday. So listen, the birds are singing. Okay, so let's check this one. Complete the text with the present continuous or present simple. John usually goes to the park every Sunday. He meets his friends there and they usually play football. Today, John isn't at the park. He's at home. He's helping his father. They are cooking dinner for all the family. It's John's mother's birthday and they are having a surprise birthday party. So, for the next video, we will check revision 4. See you on the next video.